Dang. This cover fits so freaking good. It's like a glove on there. That is so sick that the logo's on there too. Dang. Looks great. What's up guys, we're back again today with another great video, and in today's video we're actually going to be going over a car cover that we got for the Corvette. So a nice little product review for you guys, not an install video, but I really want to show you guys this product and how I think it's really going to help us keeping the Corvette clean and nice. So let's go ahead and we'll jump into it. So we've got the Corvette pulled in here kind of at an angle, just kind of get a better shot on the car and everything. So here is the cover from Elite Auto Covers right here. As you guys can see, it comes with this nice bag, so that's really good. You know, if you take it off or whatever, you can store it in the trunk of the car or wherever you guys want to store it at. One thing I will show you guys right here is their website. As you guys can see, here is what it looks like. And they make tons of covers for a bunch of different vehicles. One thing that's really cool is it does have custom logos on it. Like here's one for a BMW. But they can do custom logos on the front of them, or they do the make of the car on the front of it. So my cover actually has the Corvette logo right here in the front, which looks, you know, it's that nice clean look, kind of like how that BMW one was that I just showed you on my phone. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to set the camera up over here and we'll do a time lapse of me putting it on the car. I'll show you guys kind of how it goes on the car, and then I'll kind of talk more about the cover itself, you know, what it's made out of, you know, can you use it outdoor, can you use it indoor, stuff like that. And then I also have a discount code for you guys that I'm going to give you. It's a 20% off coupon code, so that way if you need to get a car cover for your car, you can get one from Elite Covers. So let's go ahead and we'll get this cover on. All right, so I'll show you guys kind of what the car cover looks like right here. As you guys can see, it fits all the way down to the ground, really nice. And it's pretty tight to the car, which is really good. I always fold my mirrors in just because when the car is parked in here, you know, you don't want somebody bumping into the mirrors. So you could also leave them folded out if you want to as well. There's enough room on the cover to be able to do that. So you can kind of see back here, fits really well. Fits over the exhaust right here, which that's kind of like a preference thing, because technically you could start the car, you know, with the cover on, so you might want to leave it up so that way it won't burn it. So kind of just like a preference thing there on that. But as you guys can see, really tight up top, looks really good. But yeah, even though it's been kind of wadded up in the case of it, or the bag that you carry it in, you can see there's a little wrinkles here, but it comes out of it once you lay it on the car. One thing that is nice is where they put the logo right here dead center. You know, that's kind of what I look for first when I put the cover on. You can find this because you know it's going to go right here center up front, and then throw everything else in the back, as you guys could see when I was putting it on. All right, so like I was saying earlier, these are a custom made cover for your car. As you guys could see when I was scrolling through it, there's a couple different makes and models on there. They actually have a good amount on there for a lot of different cars, so I'm sure they've got yours on there. One thing that's kind of cool is they can make a custom, I'll look right here, but they can make a special logo, which would be like the Chevy logo, Corvette logo, Toyota logo, whatever you need. But they can also do a personalized logo. So if you guys have like a company logo or something like that that you would rather put on there, you can also do that as well, which is kind of a really cool option with these covers. They are lightweight, like I said, they're foldable. Obviously it's got a storage bag with it. They're very breathable. The material is super soft, which is nice. We actually had a cover on the TC that I bought off Amazon, and it's an indoor outdoor cover. Put it on the car and it wasn't breathable enough, and everything got so hot on it that it actually kind of melted some of the clear coat on the carbon fiber going up the sides of it. So it did mess up that on that car. This one is a lot more breathable, a lot more lightweight. As you guys can tell, this is an indoor cover, so you know this is going to help against dust, you know, minor scratches, minor impacts, stuff like that, because you know if something bumps up against it, the cover is going to move. So that's really nice because obviously you can see right here, you know, my son has some toys. It's a little messy over here because I had to move some stuff around, but my son has toys and stuff in here. So if he kind of bumps up against it, the cover's actually going to give. So it's going to protect a little bit against stuff like that. Also, with that being said, you know, you're going to keep the dust off your car. It's going to stay looking nice. That's one thing with this Corvette. I'll actually leave it in here a lot. And we open up our garage door and the wind comes in this way. So all that dust will go lay on top of the car, and it's really annoying because, you know, I spend time cleaning it and stuff all the time, and I get to drive it like one time before it looks dirty again, just from the dust and everything that comes in from outside. So like I was saying, this cover will be perfect for, you know, showrooms, garages, or indoor parking spaces. You could probably even use it if your car is in like a parking garage or something like that. It's just not going to protect against, you know, rain is going to be able to go through this because it is so breathable. It doesn't have like the water resistant material on it. So just keep that in mind. This one's meant for more of an indoor use, but it's perfect for what I'm going to use it for because this car is going to stay inside if I'm not driving it. All right, guys, so that's pretty much the main thing about this video is I really just wanted to show off this cover and Elite Auto Covers. Thank you guys for helping me get this cover. This is a product that I actually paid partially for, but they, you know, we work with each other. They are a brand new company that, you know, they're trying to make a name for themselves. And I think they're doing a great job at it because a lot of the Amazon covers and things like that, you know, they're just kind of bland, that you can't put a logo on them or nothing like that. And I didn't want to get one of those for the Corvette. I wanted something a little bit nicer. And they do that, and it's a really good price as well. So it's not some crazy price, you know, to have the logo of the car put on it or anything like that. And it's not a plain cover. So that's one thing that I like about it. One thing that I was kind of worried about is, you guys know that I do have the Stage 3 lip on the front. And we do have some cool stuff coming in the back here soon. And what's nice is this cover has enough length to where it's going to cover all that. You know, it's not going to leave the portion up front uncovered or the portion in the back uncovered. And there's plenty of room. You know, if you've got, you know, the Z06 wing right here on the back, you can see there's plenty of room for that as well, which is going to be super nice as we upgrade and do different things for the Corvette. So with that being said, again, please check them out. I am going to leave a 20% off discount code down below in the description. I'll also pop it up right here, right now. That way you guys will have it. Also, their website will be down in the description if you just want to check out their covers, kind of see the prices and things like that as well. So again, a big shout out to Elite Auto Covers. I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Everybody can use a car cover for their project cars to keep them nice, because, you know, we work hard on these cars. We clean them, make them look really nice. You don't want it to get dust and crap on it right after you clean it, and all this hard work with the modifications and stuff. You do want to make them look nice and stay nice, and that's one way you can do it, is with one of these Elite Auto Covers. So please make sure you guys check them out. I'm sure they'll have something on there that you guys will really like. And again, you're going to get that extra 20% off for watching this video and hitting that code down below. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so I can keep making cool videos for y'all. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace out, and remember, build your masterpiece.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change.